Hola a todos, my name is Ronald Martinot. I'm from Colombia, Affit University, Latin American University, and stay here in an international week of CESI. Was a wonderful experience here, together everybody learning, teaching.
My name is Paul Wambua. I am a professor of materials engineering, specifically composite materials. And I work at the Technical University of Kenya, that is in Nairobi, Kenya. It was a great pleasure for me to come to CESI.
So my name is Michael Guckert. I come from Technische Hochschule Mittelhessen in Friedberg. My topics are machine learning and artificial intelligence. I'm doing teaching in this direction and research. I was very happy to be invited to CESI International Week because I think international cooperation is important for teaching and for scientific and for research, because we are facing global problems and this can only be addressed by doing cooperation over the borders, and I think therefore that is very important, and I'm very happy to be here and part of this great event.
My name is Latana Konpadungtin. I'm from College of Industrial Technology, we can call CIT, King Mongkut University of Technology, North Bangkok, KMUTNB, Thailand. So normally I teach electrical engineering in my department, CIT. So my faculty focus on engineering and technology. We are German model, so we focus on hands-on.
Last year, my university signed a memorandum of understanding with the CESI, Graduate School of Engineering, and I'm glad because as a university, we always emphasize that we want MOUs that work. We don't want MOUs that we just put somewhere, but we want it to work. So I'm glad that this is working because I've already come here as a visiting lecturer. And I'm glad that I participated. The students really are doing very well. You have a very good program of problem-based learning. We have learned a lot from that, and we have also been impressed by the way students participate in this program, especially solving problems, teamwork, and coming with solutions to solve different problems. It is an excellent model, and I think all of us would be happy to see what we can gain from this particular model.
So I feel happy to be here. You did a good job for your partners, for your students, Even only a couple of days, let's say, a week, then we feel impressive to be here. Hope that you can see each other the next year as well. Thank you.
It's been an excellent experience for me. I hope to come back in the future.